Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing sort of a bike montage, and if you guys haven't seen already on my Instagram, I got a tripod, a phone tripod. There's where it holds my phone, and then the thing I've been using for like a minute now, and it works really good. Back to the chairs. When I sat last time. I hope you guys enjoy that mini bike montage. If you guys realized at all, I was using my brother's old bike because I blew my whole tire and broke my rim on my other bike. So big thanks to this bike, but we don't need it anymore. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below for more suggestions. And thanks for watching.